Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use TikTok inverted effect. This TikTok effect helps you to flip a video you record on the app. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use this effect. Log into your TikTok account and press on the plus button on the main toolbar. Once the camera screen opens, hit the Effects section in the bottom left corner. Find and select the effect that is depicted by two horizontal arrows pointing in opposite directions. After that, tap the button to start recording the video. Remember that you need to click on the screen while recording in order to invert the video. Now you can edit your video by adding sound, writing something, and inserting stickers. When you're happy with the video, hit the next button and post it on TikTok as you would normally do. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use TikTok inverted effect. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.